Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change logo on Bigcommerce website or how to edit logo on Bigcommerce website. By the way, this is the logo from our website at the moment. You can see it on the left hand column right here. To change this or to edit it, all you'll need to do is go into your Bigcommerce website dashboard. Once on the dashboard, I want you to go over to the left hand menu option. You are going to tap on storefront. Then you are going to select logo. So let's select logo real quick. Once you have tapped on logo from the left hand menu option, from here you'll be able to enter the text that you would like to display as your logo. So if I wanted to display something else, or let's say I wanted to remove that, all I would have to do is delete it, then tap on save. And then from there, once it has been saved, now if I were to go back onto this page and refresh it, you will realize that the logo has now changed, as you can see right there. And if I wanted to change the text color, you could also do that by tapping on the text box right there. I can also change the font size. But let's say I would like to change it overall and I would like to upload an image. All I would have to do is tap on upload a custom image. Then tap on select an image from your computer. Then from there I could select any random image. Let's say I would like to use this image. All I would have to do is tap on it and you can see it right there. Then after doing that, all I would need to do is tap on save and it would change the logo image. And that's basically it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.